Okay, going back to our shape tween and actually modifying a circle to a square. What if I wanted to do the circle but to another object, say like a particular text element? So we'll create a new file here, and on my first frame, I'm going to draw a circle in this case. But in this scenario, instead of having a square, I'm actually going to decide to modify that into a block of text. So I'm going to come here. This is my first shape, and then I'm going to create a blank keyframe. And in this case, I'm just going to draw text here, Brian, and drag it towards the center. Now, right now, the text is a static text element inside of Flash. That's not going to allow me to build the shape tween inside of Flash. See, I get a broken tween in this case, and that's saying, hey, that's not going to work, buddy. So what you have to do is break this text element apart and turn it into a shape. So you have a shape here and you have a shape here. So we can simply select the text element, press Control B, and that will break the text into separate text elements, but it doesn't quite make it a shape yet. So you have to do Control B once again, and now you have a complete shape. And this is useful if you want to do any modifications on your letters, like so, because you can go back into your sub-selection tool and modify the letters like so. We don't want to do that. We just actually want to have modify a circle to a text element here. So we'll go back, since now we have two shapes. Click in the middle between our two keyframes and select shape just as we did before. And now we have the circle modifying into the name Brian there. And that's how we would do a shape to text. Or you can go the other way around and reverse your keyframes and instead do your text to a shape. So either way works.